Good morning, it's cozy, it's rainy, and honestly today was supposed to be my lazy day, but I thought why not hop on here and do a live analysis with you guys. I'm super excited because it's my birthday month. Happy new month, you guys. It's my favorite time of the year. I am also rereading the book of Esther this month because guess what? There is a beautiful grace called favor. Hallelujah. I am looking at USD JPY today, and you guys can see that I am taking my trade from here. I'm looking at this level. I'm expecting price to come here so I can buy, right? Because here is my daily time frame, and you can see that I have a high here. Price went upward. Price was able to mitigate our resistance level here, our very short block, then price moved downward here, and then created this high, came downward again, created this high, created this low, created this high, and now you can see we are bearish. So price came here to mitigate our bearish order block here and then start moving downward. But then we have a support level here that I'm looking at. So when my support level gets mitigated today, I will enter a buy position from there. So I'm looking at it today. Hopefully it gets mitigated today. So when price gets into here now, into my support level here, I'm going to buy. So I'm just patiently waiting for price to get there. This is my support level. So let's go to 4 hours. This is an external support level. This is an external support level. So I'm refining it on the daily time frame. I want price to come here. You can see my line here. I want price to get here so I can buy. Then also I'm looking at GBP USD as well. I'm looking for a short position here. This is my daily time frame. So GBP USD is on our monthly resistance level. I'm still anticipating for it to drop as well as Euro USD. You can see Euro USD is, forget about my charts. I know I have a lot of lines here, but it's just for me to not to lose track of what I'm tracking. I'm tracking price, So this is Euro USD2 is also on our monthly resistance level as well. So and okay, BTC. I missed my short position on BTC. I marked here. You can see this is my resistance level, my daily time frame. You see price as low, my resistance level. You can see I drew my rectangle waiting for price, but I missed it yesterday because I was busy yesterday. Good. You can see the, let's go to the daily time frame again, where I picked this straight from. So you can see we have a low here, a high here, a low, high, low, and high. So I picked, this is my support level here, my low here. So the reason why I'm targeting low when I'm buying is because I'm buying low and I'm selling high. And I'm targeting these ones when I'm selling is because I'm selling high and I'm buying low. The bullish structure is like this, right? It's like this. This is how it is. So you want to be buying from here. So when you buy from here, price come, mitigate, move upward. So you want to be always buy from the low because price targets lows and highs in the market. So here it is. I got my order block from here. So your order block is your entry level, right? So I got my order block from here. So now let's go to the 1 hour time frame. So this is on 1 hour time frame, and you could see that price came here to mitigate my order block. Okay, price came here, mitigated my order block. So we have a pullback here. So I joined this trade from this pullback, and you can see it's going upward pretty well. So this is 1:3 weeks to reward. These are the pairs I'm looking at. I'm looking at US 32, but it's pretty slow this morning. Also, US 30 has mitigated our daily time frame bearish order block. You can see mitigated it. So if it doesn't respect this bearish order block, then that means we have a breaker block there. We have a higher time frame breaker block. But if it does respect it, I'm expecting price to come here. I have a support level here, so I'm expecting price to come here, and I can now enter a buy position from there. Waiting for price to I'm not chasing price, I'm waiting for price to come to me so I can trade today. So you guys wish me luck. I love the way gold is moving. I'm expecting price to respect this resistance level here. So if it does respect this resistance level, that means we have a sell. And if we have maybe a pullback, a little pullback, then move upward again because we have a gap here that price will want to chase after to fill it up. So I am getting ready for my session today by 9 with one of my trading students. I'm done with mentoring for the day. Now I need to check my trade setup to see what's up. Okay guys, so I analyzed 6 trades, 6 pairs, and let's see how it's going. Let's start with gold. I was expecting a buy from here, which played out perfectly well. And you can see I was expecting a pullback from here. I have a break of structure here. And I was expecting the price to come here and give a pullback. I have a gap here. So I'm expecting price to come up here and fill this gap and mitigate my order block. So you can see the pullback from here. I'm still expecting price to move upward and mitigate my order block. So let's see how that goes. And let's go to USD JPY. So this is USD JPY, and let's go to the daily time frame. So I marked my order block from here. This is an external order block, higher time frame order block. To 4 hours. I was expecting a buy from this level. My point of interest here, you can see how the result is going, exactly what I was expecting. So you can see price came and then reverse upward. And I also was expecting a sell on GBP USD, and you can see. So this is a re-entry, so I had to put my stop loss here. So you can see how this is moving perfectly. This is a very good sale from here. So this is selling very well. And Euro USD as well, I was expecting a sell. You can see this is a sell on Euro USD as well. So let's go to BTC. So you guys can see that BTC, I missed this trade. I didn't take it, but it played exactly as I expected it to. I was expecting a sell from here. So when price came, mitigated my entry point and sealed the sell from there. And I was expecting to take my take profit from here. And then because I noticed there will be a reversal from there because I have an external order block here as well. Because the break of structure upward. Let's go to 4 hours so I can show you guys. You can see I have a break of structure here, and then I have an order block here, and also an order block here should be in case price failed to react from here. Price is going to move down, sell more downward, and then mitigate my support level here. But yes, you can see the reaction from here. Price is going upward from here. And US 30 as well. Let's go to US 30. So for US 30, I was expecting a sell from here. You can see I marked it out, but I was expecting, I marked this one out too, but you could see that this gave us a breaker block here. This is a higher time frame breaker. Price failed to respect this other block here and move upward here. So I'm expecting a reversal from here, but let's go to the lower time frame. Maybe we can get a reaction. Okay, so this is a good reaction. So all in all, I analyzed 6 trades. You could see the good reaction from all the 5 trades, except for gold. You see that price here has not yet mitigated my point of interest yet. So, but the rest trades, you can see it's moving in profit exactly according to my analysis. I analyzed 6 trades, and you guys can see that out of the 6 trades, we go 5 out of 6. That what I predicted was exactly what is going on now. Price came to my point of interest, mitigated my order block, and it's going in my direction. Out of the 6 trades that I analyzed, 5 is going exactly as I predicted. This is not magic, and this is not even luck. This is a result from hard work, dedication, and knowledge. Always wanting to learn and unlearn and relearn exactly what works in the market. And that is why I am key about multiple time frame analysis. You guys can see that from how I was explaining the analysis with you guys, I was working my way from the higher time frame to the lower time frame, which is very, very key. And also market structure as well. Market structure, you don't need any other fancy strategy to be profitable in this market. And that is what I always tell my students. So if you are not profitable yet and you have been trading for years and you are wanting to be profitable, or you are a beginner, you don't need fancy trading strategy. You just need to understand market structure. I have a playlist here dedicated for beginners where please you can check my channel and go through these videos. I have been getting a lot of positive testimonies from these videos, and it's even surprising. I didn't know it to be this impactful. I wanted it to be impactful, but the testimonies I've been getting is really, really impressive, like really humbling. I have received message from people saying, thank you so much. Since I started watching these videos, look at the profit I made from this market because I started watching your videos. Thank you very much. I've been getting a lot of messages like that. So please do yourself that favor and watch these videos on YouTube, especially if you are a beginner or you are not profitable yet and you have been trading for years now. Please go through these videos. And for my one-on-one mentorship session, unfortunately I have slot for just 2 people this month, so I'm sorry guys. And also I'm going to be ending this video. You can join trade on USD, JPY, and also just all the pairs that we have analyzed. I've showed you guys and I've explained to you guys earlier. Just take your time to check them out. So you may want to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out if you have not subscribed yet, and also like this video, turn on your notification button so you'll be the first to get notified each time I upload videos here. And if you have a question, leave your questions in the comment section below. I promise to respond to all your questions. And also share this video to people that really benefit from this video. And I'll see you in my next video. Stay profitable.